Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'm gonna teach you about conditional structure or selection structure in PHP. So to manipulate with a selection structure in PHP, we can use if statement. So this is the syntax of if statement. So the rules that are predefined in PHP for anything, that is called the syntax of that thing. So we are using here if statement. So this is the syntax of this if statement. So first we will write a if keyword, that is a language constructor in PHP. So it will be bold in blue color. So after the if, we will write parenthesis, and inside the parenthesis we will write a condition. Now we will be able to make a selection based on this particular condition. This is the opening curly brace and this is the closing curly brace of this if statement, and the area inside these opening and closing curly braces is called the body of the if statement. So if the condition that we will provide in the parenthesis will be true, then the statements inside the if statement will be executed. So I'm gonna make here a program to check that how we can make a selection based on a particular condition. Now I'm gonna declare a variable that is named as enrolled is equals to true. This means that enrolled variables contains a boolean value that is true. So boolean values can be only be true or false. So I'm gonna make here a condition. So this is a condition that if enrolled the value of this variable is equals to true, then this condition will be true. So it will be replaced by true if the condition is true. So if we use single assignment single equal operator, then it is an assignment operator. But when we have to check that the value of this variable is equals to this value, then we will use double equal operator. So this is a condition that if the value of this variable will be true, then this condition will return true, otherwise it will be false. So the body of the if statement will be executed if this condition is true, otherwise it will not be executed. So I'm going to write here any message that you can start this course because you have enrolled in. So I'm going to save the file and open this in web browser. So here you can see that there is a spelling mistake. So here is a missing here is not valid spelling of this enrolled variable. So I'm gonna save this file and refresh the page. Here you will see that you can start this course because the value of this enrolled variable is true. If I change this value to false, then what happens? Now I'm gonna save the file and open web browser, refresh the page. You can see that there is nothing to display because the condition is not true. So if the condition is true, then the body of the statement will be executed and the message will be displayed. So here you can see that you can start this course. So this is how we can make a selection based on a particular condition using if statements. Hopefully guys you have understood about if statement, that how we can use if statement in order to make a selection. So thanks for watching this tutorial. I'll see you in the next tutorial.